Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished guests, gentlemen and Buzugo, Dosto, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all well. I think that I'm going to say a couple of things which I think you might not like, but I think it's my feeling, and I think that we need to move forward to where we are at the moment. The thing is that we in the United Kingdom at the moment, the Kashmiri population goes up to in between 800,000 to 1 million. And when it's a day like this, where there's a handful of people who are able to come to this kind of a function. And what we've been doing over the last good 20 years or so is that we've been channeling the same message to the same people, circling it around for years and years. I feel that we've come to a position now, although a few years back we had actually mentioned this before, but I think this probably is more than right time now that we move forward in a combined community effort. And what I like to suggest is that Maqbool Bhatt Shaheed, may God rest his soul, I don't think we'll do justice to him if we continue to do the same over years and years. We need to change our strategy, we need to change ourselves, we need to make new efforts in order that we're able to uphold the sayings of Maqbool Bhatt and what he stood for, what he wanted to do, what he wanted to do with the nation, what he wanted to do with the people of Kashmir. We have failed. We have miserably failed. And I feel that the only way we can move forward is by, first of all, getting ourselves organized in the UK. UK currently holds the largest Kashmiri community outside Jammu and Kashmir. And we believe, and I certainly believe that we can get together and organize, set up an organization which represents all Kashmiris, not certain Kashmiris. I know that we're going to hold these meetings in small meetings in Birmingham, in Luton, and other towns, but it's not enough. It's not enough because people outside of this hall or outside our brain, they don't know nothing. They don't know what's going on. They don't know anything about Kashmir. They don't know anything about Maqbool Bhatt. Kashmiri youngsters or even elders, if you talk to them about Maqbool Bhatt, who's Maqbool Bhatt? You don't know your own father of the nation? Isn't that a failure on our part? Don't we need to do something about this? So I feel that we need to get together. We need to set up an organization, an overall organization for all Kashmiris to become part of it. And then we can represent, we will have a representation in this country, we'll have a representation all over the world, and we will also be able to do things in the communities here. We can integrate into communities here. Kashmiris don't get involved in any social aspects of this country at the moment. If they do, they'll be individuals. We don't actually involve ourselves as a combined Kashmiri community. Wherever you go, you will see other nations, other communities getting involved in the social aspects of this country, but you won't see Kashmiris getting involved. And what's the reason? The reason is that the leaders of Kashmir, people like ourselves, people sitting on each side of the room here, we miserably failed. And we, I think, need to get together and put something on a piece of paper in which the whole community gets together and not just a chosen few. So I hope that you would be able to take this suggestion think about it, and then if anybody wants to be part of this, or anybody wants to do something about this, I think you need to come forward and then do that. And I hope that, you know, what I've said, it hasn't upset anybody, but I think that's my feeling and that's how I feel. Thank you very much for your time.